I'm Becca of the Boundless Bloom Life with your not so typical makeup tutorials. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bake. No, not that kind of baking. This kind of baking. So let's get started. Baking is a technique to set your makeup with a translucent powder. This has been around for a long time. Now you take the powder, you place it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and the heat from your face warms it up, and it just melts and blends the makeup, all the different products that you have onto your face, and it just makes your skin flawless. It will make your pores disappear. It's great for oily skin especially, so your makeup doesn't melt off your face. As you can see, I already have makeup on. I have my foundation on, I've already put a little bit of contour, and I even brightened under my eyes. I'm not going to show you exactly how I did that, but I will show you the makeup that I use. It's Mascara Beauty makeup, and I love it because it's fast and compact and easy. You can fit all your makeup into one compact, and it's customizable, which is really great. If you want to learn more about it, you can contact me by commenting below or visiting any of my websites that I'll put down in the description. So what you're going to need now to set your makeup and get that flawless finish is a translucent setting powder. Now just translucent means it's not going to add much color to your face. This one that I have here is airspun. You can get it at any drugstore, Target, whatever, what now. This is a very budget friendly one. It is $5 for this really big one. Or if you are bougie, I'd recommend the Laura Mercier or the Too Faced setting powder. This one in particular has like this really beautiful translucent glow. But I'm going to use the airspun today because most of us are budget. The next thing you're going to need is a blending sponge. Now this one is also from Mascara Beauty. I love them because they're nice and squishy, but anyone will do. But the key is you have to use it damp, not wet, damp. So you're just going to take it, place it into your powder. You can use like the tip a little bit so you can get it under your eye really good. So you're going to take this now and put it under your eye in the triangle where you brightened. If you do not know how to brighten that triangle, you can see some of my other videos that I'll link below. Now when you're applying it, you're going to want to put a liberal amount on there, quite a bit, and then you're going to dab it gently. So I put it underneath my eyes especially. This is great for the summertime, you know, when you get oily and sweaty under there. Then if you do contour your nose going down, the tip of your nose, right on top, your forehead, anywhere where those oils are, anywhere where you get a lot of oils forming. Now I look a little bit crazy, right? But you're going to want to leave this on, like I said, for 5 to 10 minutes because that is where the magic is going to happen. The warmth from your skin is going to heat up the powder and it's just going to melt together with your foundation, your concealer. So find something else to do in the meantime. Read a book, maybe bake some cookies, or you could do your eye makeup after instead. So let's wait 5 to 10 minutes. Another great option to apply the powder is this Power Powder brush. It is tapered in a way that just fits perfectly up into the creases. And then if you are very oily skin, you can use this side to set your contour. And I like to do that with a powder bronzer. Now let's take this off. You're going to want a fluffy brush to remove it because you want to be really gentle with removing it and not moving the product around too much. Just dusting off the excess is what we're going to do here. Now to finish up this look, I'm going to put a little bit of blush and then a little bit of highlight. I am using the shade Hollywood from Mascara Beauty. You can put blush on a little bit before, but the translucent powder is going to dull it out a little bit. So if you're gonna probably want to add a little bit more at the end anyways. So I just like to apply it after. Now I'm going to take the Best Blend Forever and apply some highlight, or as Mascara Beauty refers to them, illuminators. I like using a powder one, especially when I'm using powder to set, because it just brings that dewy glow back. And then to finish the makeup look, I'm going to use a setting spray, and that will again just make everything look more natural, almost like you're just perfectly this way. Alright, the last thing I do now is I apply my setting spray. This will just make it stay even better and bring that dewy glow back to the face, that natural moist look of the skin. If you have any questions on how to customize a palette like this, or any questions on these beautiful double-sided brushes, I will link my website in the description down below. You can take my free color match quiz there. That just sends me a picture of yourself, and I'll be able to customize colors for you and help you choose colors. Because it can get a little bit difficult going into a store and trying to figure out a color, I'm here, I know what I'm doing, I can help you pick the colors that are right for you, and better yet, I will help you learn how to apply it. No matter where you are, we can chat together. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep blooming.